Finally, sobrang thankful ako kay God. Finally, you're now my Mrs. Marisa Joy Acad. Imagine mo yun. Dating high school crush lang kita, napatagang nililigawan, dinidate at pasimpleng inaabot na ng pudding at Four Seasons juice.
To Michael, my love, I'm not even sure if we really met properly back then. After all, we were just two students in one big high school. But somehow, during the school year of June 2009, God allowed our paths to cross.
Anak, thank you. Congratulations. It's your day today.
Anak, thank you din at congratulations sa iyong kasal. God bless you.
Ayan, Mama, Papa, thank you for making me this kind of adult. And sobrang thankful ako kasi kayo yung parents ko. Thank you.
Happy para sa kanya. Diyan sila ng magandang buhay at pagmamahal.
Kaya ang mag-asawa, sama kayo para tagalan na yan lang yung papasalamat lang ako dahil pinalaki niya kami ng maayos. Never kami pinabayaan ni Mama at ni Papa. Wala ako dito, wala kami kundi dahil sa kanya. Salamat. Steven.
Wow! Ito, mapapogi ito, bro.
Napilit kita, tuloy nagkita ulit kay Michael.
Actually kasi hindi ako palalabas, so siya yung pumilit sa akin na makifiesta, ganyan. Tapos pagdating namin dun sa place, nagulat ako kasi si Michael, isa siya sa organizer. Yun, nag-hello siya sa akin, dun na ulit. Jaya! Ayaw. Grabe! Mahal to? Mahal yan! From the heart. Gamitin niya na yung pan. Mahal to? Yung picture niyo. Kailangan ito. Hindi ka okay mo.
Nandito po tayong lahat, gathered today in the presence of God, at nandito po tayo in the presence of the families and friends as well. At si Marisa po at si Michael ay nandito rin, at tayong lahat po ay magiging witness in the presence of God, at tayo po ay we're going to bear witnesses sa kanilang pag-iisang dibdib.
Nagkakilala kami ni Marisa since high school. Third year high school, magka-classmate kami.
Actually, magka-schoolmate kami. So, isang beses lang kami naging magkaklase. And that's it. That is third year high school. So, once lang yun. And medyo may konting PBBTs, ganyan. Pero, kasi bawal ako mag-boyfriend.
All I dream of is your eyes. All I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me that's enough.
Ilang years, nakakilala kami. Yun. Kaya na nagtuloy. Tuloy-tuloy na. Hanggang sa ito na, kakasal na kami ngayon.
First of all, sobrang thankful ako sa magandang araw na to na nangyari. And syempre, hindi ko akalain na ikakasal ako. So ayun, thank you for making my dreams come true. And I love you so much.
All that it takes now, baby. You're on my mind every night, every day. Good vibrations getting loud. How could this be anything else? When all I dream of is your eyes, all I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me that's enough. You can say
Balita,
that.
sobrang dami. Gaya ng sobrang maalaga niya. Tapos siya yung pinaka-ideal girlfriend talaga na kahit di mo bantayan, never gagawa ng kalokohan.
Lahat ng 5 love language na yun, na susupport niya sa akin. And yun yung pinaka-gusto ko.
What could this
And now, ito na tayo. Magkasamang magbibuild ng pangarap at pamilya. Hanggang sa ating pagtanda.
I vow to choose you every day, to pray with you, support you, and walk beside you through whatever life brings. And above all, to be yours fully, completely, and for the rest of our lives. I love you.
that I'm a fool and I don't know very much.
Gagawin ko, pagsumikapan ko, na mas lalo pang iparamdam na ikaw lang ang mamahalin ko for the rest of our life. My wife, mahal na mahal kita at mas mamahalin pa kita sa bawat sandali ng buhay natin bilang mag-
This love